Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ronnie and I'll be doing the voiceover for Isela while she does her makeup. But first, time to tame this hair and put it in a clip. Next, don't forget my veggies to start off my day. Got my celery juice. Oh man, if only this was shots like over the weekend. Chug, 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 chug. Wait, should I be drinking this? Everybody else is doing it. Okay, one more. I got one more gulp in me. Let's do this. Oh, hi Maple. She wants a little bit too. Okay, now that that's out the way, time to start off my day good. I'm gonna put a little bit of water on my face. So this is an expensive bottle of water. I think it costs like $25. A couple sprays, fan it out. Next is some lotion. I gotta moisturize this face before I start to put all this cake. So I'm gonna a little bit on my fingers, rub it around, all over my face, circular motions, blend it in pretty good. Keep going, keep going. Oh, my face is red today. Keep going. Now, ready for my next step. I got my pink little egg sponge. What I'm going to do is put a little bit of foundation. So a couple of dabs on my top of my hand. 2 dabs is fine. Let me go ahead and dip my finger in there. Put in little circular motions. Put some dots. Oh, wow. What is some kind of codes? Okay, put on my neck. Bring my sponge back out. Now I'm going to start dabbing. Go all over your face. Just beat it in there. The only rule about makeup is there's never enough. You keep adding more and more to it and nothing happens. So I'm keep adding that. Maple in the back. She wants a little bit of attention. Keep dabbing, keep dabbing. Go ahead and blend it in. Man, this gets tired. My hand's hurting. Alright, so keep dabbing. Alright, so we're going to get the little pink egg again. A little spongy. Dab it some more. Keep blending. Now we get one more pump. Remember, like I said, never enough. Gonna always add more. Keep dabbing, keep dabbing. Use a little egg. Great about this egg is it has a little point, so the little hard spot between your eyes is good. Now my next one, I'm gonna, drop my cap. Get my double-sided crayon with the fat tip and the skinny tip on the other side. I'm gonna draw some little horns on the top of my head, some little lines. I'm gonna outline my nose, top of my head. Keep going, keep adding, keep blending. Remember, guys, lost my cap. Where's my cap? Oh no, now I gotta throw this away. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to my egg. Keep blending. Wow, I never thought it'd take this much work. See, key part is you gotta put your hair up right from the first time, because now I have all these little hairs in my head and I gotta get them off without putting makeup on them. So I'm gonna keep dabbing with the little egg sponge. Keep going, circular motions. Keep blending. Next, I'm gonna get my next palette. I'm gonna go with the brown. Get my big brush. Blend, 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 blend. Now suck in your cheeks. This key to this is helps you find those little jaws. Now I'm gonna get my nose, outline my nose. Dang, can this make my nose smaller? Okay, now I'm gonna get a little bit more. Different brush. Oh, where's that cap at again? Okay, I think this is a tart one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some little tribal signs under my eyes. Little cross, God bless me. Now what you do a little dance. Yeah, yeah. Back to my little circle sponge, little egg. Now what I'm gonna do with this is give me some highlight, make me look awake for the day. Okay, keep going. Suck in my cheeks. Outline my jaw. Anybody notice I have some in my hair? Now I keep doing this. Now that that's all blended in, Maple's in the back. Hey Mapes, what's up? Yeah. Next, we're gonna get a little white powder. No, it's not that white powder, guys. Just some makeup. Put a little bit in the cap. Get the actual sponge again. Keep dabbing. I'm gonna go over the spot I just did. I don't know why am I doing this again. Now I'm gonna keep doing that. Keep dabbing. Wait, what am I missing? Oh, brows time. Now I'm gonna go with my brown one in the middle. Get my other brush. Another key point to makeup is you need about 50,000 brushes. Now I'm gonna outline my eyebrows. Sit down. Okay, get back to that. Dog's not listening. Wants a little bit of attention. I've been at this for hours. Keep going, keep going. Outline my eye some more. Now everything I just did on my first eye, do it all over again. So keep going, keep adding. Back to the first eye, back to the second. Show me some attention. Keep going. Now a different brush, different color. I'm going to outline the previous color. Yeah, I know. You might ask why. I ask myself the same thing. So keep going. First eye, back to the original eye. Remember, guys, key rule of makeup. There's no such thing as too much. Now to my next step, I'm going to go ahead with the new color. So now I got 3 colors up there. But hey, who's going to notice, right? Keep adding. Now this goes right under my eyebrow. Now I'm going to get a little fat brush. Blend my face. Keep brushing. Make everything together. Oh no, I forgot this step. What am I going to do? You know, guess I'm not a true makeup person. Now my NARS palette. Let me go with my maybe a pink brown combo. I'm gonna get my little fat brush again. Smile. Hey guys, how's it going? Add a little bit of brown. Add a little pink. Clean off my hand, my arm. I mean, little bit more. All over my face. Keep acting that little fake smile. Next, some lipstick. Oh wow. Been really on a budget lately, right? Add a little bit of lipstick. Pop my lips a few times. Oh, forgot a spot. Now next, time for my lip gloss. A little bit of shine, a little bit of glitter. Add it. Pop them a few more times. Do a little dance. Okay, now I'm ready. Let's go, let's go. Next would be some mascara. But, you know me, all those basic bitches got these eyelash extensions. So what I'm going to do is just comb them out. Make sure they're straight, because sometimes they be looking crossed. Do a little dance. Let my hair out. Am I ever going to notice I got some makeup in my hair still? Add some more of this little expensive water to my face to wash out everything I just did. Okay, I'm going to brush my hair out. Oh, there she is. Now you remember me? Come on, come over here. We'll comb my hair out a little bit more. Man, if only I took this much time doing my hair. Maybe I might look ready for the day. Comb it out. Play with it. Try to find its right spots. Eventually everything will sit in place. And there you go. We are ready for the day. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you liked the video, please subscribe. And have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.